I think that overall Jasper gave a pretty fair assessment, and I actually think that AI powered tools like Jasper for copywriting are great and effective. I think one of the challenges, not challenges, but I think for it's more content and sort of like matter of fact type of stuff, like Jasper is great. I think if you get into more direct response, very emotionally driven copy, more nuanced type of copy, I think that, there's probably still a good amount of time until Jasper or any other competing tool gets there. I think maybe 3 to 5 years, maybe even longer. We'll have to see. So, but really, to me, the thought is, as a copywriter, if I can take something like Jasper and write great copy faster, fantastic. It's just like any machine in a way, right? Where you still need an operator of the machine. You still need somebody to sometimes like make sure that all runs smoothly. So, because I get that question from copywriters a lot, who say, or aspiring copywriters who say, what about AI? It's constantly. And then the answer a lot of the time for especially younger copywriters who are looking at copywriting as a way to create additional income, like a side hustle, whatever it is, my answer is that because it's probably gonna take like 5 years, and so until Jasper's or something like Jasper can fully replace DR, like direct response, really copywriters, especially long format, like infomercial type of things and whatever it is, which can pay really well to a copywriter. And so my kind of answer is, if say you took this year to get really good and you make like $20,000 US, right? But okay, cool. Then the second year you're starting to get good and you make like 60 or 70,000. By the third year, you're really good and you're making 100,000 plus. By the fourth year, you could keep going down that path for a couple more years of making $100,000 plus per year in income. Or, because you've got the skill, now you start your own business, your own funnels, you do joint ventures, all of those things. You're going to be way further ahead no matter what than if you never started because you're afraid of something that's going to happen in 5 years from now. And if you don't do copywriting right now and you have an aptitude towards it, then what is the thing you're going to do? So yeah, that's a long-winded answer, but it's a great question, a great way to start.